Vinyls and turntables are an essential part of great music, but even they need a little TLC here and there. Welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today, let's talk about the well-being of your vinyls. For a long time now, vinyls have been a quintessential part of music, and they have a long history that comes along with it. Now, it's hard to imagine what music would look like today if they didn't exist. And even for that reason alone, it's a great idea to take care of them. So let's talk about a few things you can do to keep your vinyls in their best shape. If you're just starting out in your venture into vinyls, you'll wonder why so many films and shows depict vinyls in milk containers or crates. Well, that right there is actually not just for show. You'll want to keep your records upright and ideally in a cool, clean, and dry environment. This will prevent your vinyls from warping. With a warped vinyl, you'll be left without music, and there goes your listening party. Here's another thing. When you're handling your vinyl, avoid handling it anywhere other than the edges of the vinyl or the center itself. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Touching the grooves is like leaving a lit candle on a windowsill with sheer curtains coated in kerosene. It's just not worth it. It's not. The oils from your skin will cause a lot of dust to stick to the grooves and cause poor audio quality or even distortion. And now hypothetically, if your friend Kevin accidentally bumps you and you happen to scratch the grooves with your nails, well, at that point, it is kind of his fault, but don't think you're getting away without any blame. Now, this next one's important. Make sure that you clean your records once in a while. Pick a day and just use it to go over any of your records and give them a nice clean. This will help the record play back cleaner, less distorted audio, and will eventually help keep the record in good health. There's a couple things you can also try, like an anti-static brush, or try something like this cleaning system. So this is a spin clean record washer, and it actually comes with a solution that will pull out any dust or debris as you use the brush to gently scrub the record. It's simple, it's easy, and they're available at Gibbys. That's it for now, and remember to like this video for more content like this, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay up to date with all of our new content. And until next time, guys, take it easy. With a warped vinyl, you'll be left without music, and